Hello students, now let us study the graph of trigonometric function sine and cosine function. And before drawing the graph, you know the definition of sin x. That is, if you take the function y is equal to sin x, here x represents the angle made by the point OP with the positive direction of x-axis. Suppose the point is at this position, the y coordinate of the point is 0, therefore sine 0 is equal to 0. Here the angle made by the point and origin is with the positive direction of x-axis 0. And if you change the position of the point, you can clearly observe that the length of arc itself represents the x, and here the angle is the length of arc itself, because if you take a unit circle, then if the length of arc is equal to 1 unit, then angle made by the arc at the center is 1 radian, and if it is half, then it is half radian. Length of arc is equal to half the radius is here 1, and the angle is also equal to half radian. And if you do 1/4 of the rotation, and you know that if it is 1/4 of the rotation, angle is equal to pi by 2, and the length of this arc is also pi by 2, because you know the length of arc of a complete circle, that is 2 pi, and 1/4 of that is pi by 4. And if you do the half the rotation, and angle is equal to pi, and that itself the x, and here you can observe the point x reaches here. And if you do the one complete rotation, and it is angle is equal to 2 pi, and length of arc is also is equal to 2 pi, and this represents x. One complete rotation means this is x. Now for different values of x, what are the sine function, what are the values taken by sine function? Let us analyze. And just I will take the sine x now, and here y is equal to sin x. When x equal to 0, what is the value of sin x? Sin x is 0, and here this is the value of sin point. Here point is at this position, and x equal to 0, y is also 0, and as you increase x, y increases. You can observe this itself, y coordinate of the point itself, the value of sin x, and as you increase, the value of sine function increases, and it is equal to 1 when it is equal to pi by 2. And when x equal to pi by 2, what is sin x? Sin x is equal to 1. If you further increase the value of x, that is angle, and sine function decreases, and it will be like this. And the point what you are seeing here, these are the different points, and after tracing all these points, you will get the graph of the trigonometric function sin x. And if you still further increase the angle, and you can observe the different point traced by the function y is equal to sin x. When it is equal to 2 pi, it reaches here. Let us draw the graph of the sine function, whatever the moment you have observed, and if you trace the points and join them, you will get the graph of sine function. Now see here how the graph of sine function is. The red strip shows the graph of sine function. When it is pi by 2, it is 1. Later the value of trigonometric function sine function decreases. When it is pi, the sine function will become 0. If you further increase, the angle x, sine function takes negative value. In third quadrant, sine function is negative, and if you still increase, and when the angle is 3 pi by 2, sine x is -1, that is the minimum value. And if you still increase the value of x, and sine function takes the negative value itself but increases, and when it is 2 pi, again sin x takes the 0. This is the graph of the function sin x, y is equal to sin x.